Question for you. What is the process when you guys do get nails in your tires? Like you pick it up in the landfill, you just bring it into maintenance?
Yeah, you run it on your VCR when you do your post-trip inspection.
And then maintenance will come inspect and then see if they can patch it and or replace it?
Yeah, they'll let the tire guy know and he'll come in and he'll investigate and see whether he needs to replace or if it's something he can patch.
And you say you pick up nails here and there on the landfill?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
nails, I mean,